nature with nature. You can see the sun is setting. The sun is winding down. The bright light you see at the center is the sun. You can see the lake, the terrain, the beautiful terrain of the people of Mambila. This is the Cadbury area where we're going for the outreach. I wish you were here to join us to have this wonderful experience with nature. It's really beautiful out here. It's really beautiful. Nigeria is endowed with nature, with beautiful environment. Beautiful environment that is also will also be good for tourist attraction. We're just not taking advantage of this blessing from nature. This is really beautiful. I wish you're here to take a view.